So, I have a session here as Dr. Ms. Morthan UKanhandle, but first I have a confession before my session. I am an English major from the University of Oregon, and I do have black-rimmed glasses, and I don't care what that other actor has to say or claim. I have never studied with him whatsoever, ever. I went more for impressing the professors, not students. And I'll just hold this. Anyways, Dr. Ms. Morthan UKanhandle is here to help this client of mine who may have some issues. Do you happen to have issues? That is why you're here to see me?
Yeah.
Yes. And your issues, I presume, are sexual. You have sexual issues. No sexual issues. You seem to have a little bit of a sneezing issue. Would you like some tissue for your issues?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, look at this. The last tissue. Toilet paper works. I brought some. So now, I just read an article that correlates orgasms with sneezes. And I've come to the conclusion after perusing this article that it must have either been written by a man or by someone who's never had an orgasm. And I should know I've never had one. I mean, I've had plenty of men and plenty of orgasms. I've just never had an orgasm quite like a sneeze. So tell me, sir, young man, no sexual issues whatsoever. How do you normally sneeze?
I can't.
No, go ahead.
I can't force it.
Well, just show me how it would look. Oh. Well, most people kind of sneeze like this. They go, achoo. Have you heard sneezes like that? That's a pretty common sneeze.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's pretty
yes.
loud.
Yeah. Do you normally sneeze by yourself or with other people? Come on. That's not rocket science. Just admit it, whatever.
I like to sneeze with other people. I want to make that clear. But I sneeze a lot by myself.
Oh, and do you normally use tissue or toilet paper when you sneeze? Or anything, or magazines. Do you ever sneeze with a magazine? Rip out a page from a magazine and sneeze with that alone in the bathroom or something?
I don't like to talk. Yes.
Oh! Well, so I'm wondering, this is why I came to the conclusion of this article. I'm wondering, have you ever had a sneeze that kind of goes like this? Oh, what about the sneeze that goes like this?
I'd like
and so forth and so on.
I would like to.
I bet you would. However, like the other actor who made some fantasy thing about English students going over papers and it ending in quite the finale. Yes, you will have to go to school to learn how to do that. Maybe like acting school or something, I don't know. Because I also sneeze kind of like that sometimes, and then I sneeze and nobody even knows I have one, a sneeze, or anything. I go, just like that. Can you sneeze like that?
Like quiet?
Just instantly. Yeah, you should try it. It works. Yeah, it's called your imagination. Victor Hugo prophesied about the people like us. Yes, intelligence is, or imagination is intelligence with a heart on. Victor Hugo.
I like Victor Hugo.
Yes, me too. He's quite intelligent and imaginative. And Oscar Wilde. Ooh, and Earl of Rochester. Now I fell in love with the Earl of Rochester. Yes, I call him Earl of Rochester. Yes, Professor Benjamin Saunders taught me all about the Earl of Rochester in the 17th century poetry class, which I got an A in. And for extra credit, I didn't do the D. No, I just wrote extra credit sonnets, 2 of them. I was so pissed off at him from something he said, and I wrote him 2 sonnets telling him I was going to suck his dick in 17th century language, and I glossed it, and I still got the A, and I got away with it too. They couldn't do a thing about me, except kind of kick me off of campus. Yeah, but that wasn't because of the poetry. No, I got like, yeah.
Oh.